If Microsoft Edge is showing error 5, don't worry, this is usually a browser issue, and in this video I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that can help get things working again fast. We'll start with clearing cookies and cache, then we'll move to repairing Microsoft Edge from Control Panel, and finally we'll test the website in a private window to see if the issue is related to stored browsing data or extensions. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, you want to remove the data that may be causing the error. Make sure cookies and cache are selected. In many cases, old cookies or corrupted cached files can stop a site from loading properly and trigger strange browser errors like error 5. You can leave other items unchecked if you only want to clear the essentials. Then choose the time range, and if you want the cleanest reset, select all time. After that, click Clear Now and give Edge a few moments to finish the process. Once that's done, go back and try opening the website again. If the error is still showing, the next step is to repair Microsoft Edge. To do that, open the Control Panel on your Windows computer. You can search for Control Panel in the Start menu if you don't see it right away. Inside Control Panel, go to Programs, then click on Programs and Features. Find Microsoft Edge in the list of installed programs. Depending on your system, you may see an option to change or repair the app. Click that option and follow the prompts to let Windows fix any damaged Edge files or settings. This is helpful if the browser installation itself is causing the error rather than the website. After the repair process finishes, restart your computer if needed and test Edge again. If the issue is still not fixed, the third step is to try opening the site in a private window. In Microsoft Edge, click the 3 dots in the top right corner and choose InPrivate Window. Private Window starts with a cleaner session and avoids using most existing cookies, cached files, and sometimes extension-related conflicts. Type the website address directly into the private window and see if it loads properly. If the site works there, the problem is likely related to your normal browsing data or an extension interfering with the page. If none of these steps fully solve the issue, you may want to go back and double check each one carefully, especially the cache and cookie removal. Also make sure Microsoft Edge is fully updated, because browser updates often include important fixes for loading errors and compatibility problems. But in most cases, clearing cookies and cache, repairing Edge, and testing in private mode will solve the problem, or at least point you in the right direction. If this tutorial helped you fix Microsoft Edge error 5, please give this video a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Windows or browser issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.